Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of my LEGO Galaxy Explorer video. You may remember my last video, I showed you my Galaxy Explorer from when I was 4, anyway. And you may remember I had the arrow there and not the other side. Anyway, that's what I found the other day, yesterday actually. I found this. Ta-da! The second arrow. I don't even know where it was. Well, I do know where it was. It was in a box. That's obvious. But I don't know how I missed it the first time around. So let's just put these bits off there. Let's do it live. Let's stick the bits on live. Live on national YouTube. What even does that mean? I'm talking a load of old bollocks. Fit that back on there like that. Job done. So that's just a random blue brick now, obviously. Talking of bricks, move that aside. I said I had my first Bricklink order. I made my first Bricklink order. Anyway, I got these today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! These 4 pylons of Bricklink. I need them obviously for my for the wings of my thing. I got them from this chap here of Bricklink, French chap. Thank you very much for that, sir. Very nicely appreciated, thank you. So if you can just, it's him. If you know the guy, then let's just scroll that along there so you can read it. I ordered them probably like at the end of the week. End of the week? Middle of the week? Beginning of the week even. Like Monday or Tuesday, whenever it was. And also, from this chap here, get his name on there. Thank you very much, sir, for these parts. They came today along with the other one. These are some odds and ends I got as well for the Galaxy Explorer. I'll show you all now. This sad bugger, and show you all what I got. I got this stack of these because obviously I got my police station in the town, and I need to make a bigger helipad, so I ordered those. So they'll be coming in handy, but I got three thrusters for the bottom of the ship. There we go. They're all in fairly good nick, as you can see. That one there, none of them broken or anything. That's good. And they're all without the hole, without the axle hole. So they are period correct. And obviously these as well. Sorry, my camera went a bit funny there. So if I can take my base here, and again stick the parts on live, you can watch me as I do it. There we go. I just love putting things together. Let's put the next one in there like that. And there's that, it's a hair away from the wife. There we go, so that goes on there, like so. Ta-da! And now, I can actually stick this down. First time in like many a decade, that can be stuck down. I know this is all upside down to you, but it's not upside down to me, and that's where it counts, right? I haven't done the other windows yet either, so I'll probably take them apart again at a later date. Alright, so there we are. Galaxy Explorer coming along. So what I'm going to do, grab those. These are like other random bits that I have left over from my from the kit back when I was like 4 or something, and I haven't got the original instructions, but I do have this, which is a printout which I printed out possibly about 20 years ago off the internet, when the internet was still like a new thing, or not the new thing, but it wasn't what it is today. So I printed this out. I was actually still living at home as well when I printed this out. So just to get the position of the pylons, I will turn to stage number 12. Ooh. That goes a dot back, doesn't it? There we go. Pop them there. I get my other two that I've have left over. And pop them in. That's like that. So I still need a few other items, but again they will be I will search for those, or hunt high and low. By the looks of things, I can probably pop that on there as well. Looks like I need a couple of those. You know, I only have one of those here. I did actually find another one the other day, and I obviously put it on the side in my little room, and that's clearly where I left it, so that won't be going on just yet. But what I do have is, I think that's going to go on that way around, isn't it? Yeah. So there we go. There's that there, and there's going to be that there. Obviously I need some more of these small cylindrical parts to house the rest of the rockets. But what we do have is, what I do still have actually, are the pylons, stilt bits, but unfortunately one of them's got half of the top missing, but they are still usable, and they will be going on the bottom of the ship as much as I can. They're probably going to be near the back. Aha, there we go. Right, there we go. So that one goes there. Might put that one. So we'll stick one on there. I'm clearly missing some bits from the underside of here as well, so they can't all go on right now. So I'll put the thrusters on. I'll have to see if I can hunt out these other bits. I still need one of those and a 6x1 to go in there. That's obvious. It looks like I'm missing a 4x2 and an 8x2 to go on there and there. The other side as well. So I'll have a nosy for those. But that obviously can go there. They can go on. If I stick the broken one on there, like voila, that appears to go in the middle, there, and likewise the other one, but it looks like it's going with 3 dots visible, so it's possibly there, because it's on an isometric view. So far, as you can see, live on air, I've gotten this far. So we're getting there. So bit of Bricklink and a bit of hunting around. I wasn't expecting to find that other arrow, but I found it anyway. So there we go. It's coming along. It's nearly there. Just missing a few bits. If anyone's got one of those cones, can you let me know in the comments below, please? And if you are on Bricklink, I'm Crazy L on Bricklink, so if you can let me know, send me a message or something, that'd be very handy. Obviously I need 3 more of these light grey, classic grey cylindrical parts as well, so if you have those as well, that would be mighty handy. So send me a message or let me know in the comments section, and tell me what you think of the video. Ciao for now. Ta-da!